Welcome. Welcome to Fa Ahmad Arabic class. Me, Fa Ahmad, Arabic coach. Continue to spoken Arabic series. This is lesson number 17. I hope you might have watched from lesson number 1 to lesson number 16. Before I begin, I would like to inform you if anyone wants to read, write Arabic, please visit my channel Fa Ahmad Arabic class and get all videos in playlist with name of foundation course. And also, I would like to inform if anyone wants to start speaking Arabic, visit my channel and get all videos in playlist with name of Spoken Arabic series. And I would like to request you please like, share, and subscribe my channel for Ahmad Arabic class. Let's begin. And today we will learn numbers, about numbers, and we will use in sentence for practice. So first write numbers. So what is the meaning of number in Arabic? Number. So number in Arabic say rakam. Rakam. So rakam is not money. Rakam is number. Okay, and numbers is a plural. Numbers is right is arkam. Arkam. Okay, so rakam, arkam, number and numbers. Okay, now start from 0. 0. 0 is sifar. Sifar. Now 1. Wahid. 2. Itnain. 3. Talata. 4. Arba. 5. Khamsa. 6. Sitta. 7. Saba. 8. Tamania. Okay, Tamania. Now 9. Tisa. 10. Ashra. Now 11. Ida Ashar. Ida Ashar. 12. Itnain Ashar. 13. Talata Ashar. Talata Ashar. 14. Arba Ashar. 15. Khamsa Ashar. Khamsa Ashar. 16. Sitta Ashar. 17. Saba Ashar. Okay, continue. Continue means alatul. Alatul. So Saba Ashar. Now 18. 18. Tamania Ashar. Tamania Ashar. 19. 19. Tisa Ashar. Tisa Ashar. 20. Ishreen. Ishreen. 20. Okay. 20. And how to say 30? Talatin. 40. Arba. In. 50. Khamseen. Khamseen. Now 60. Sitteen. 70. Sab'een. 80. Tamanin. Tamanin. Okay. Now continue. Alatul. 90. This. E. 100. Mia. Mia is 100. Okay. Now how to tell number 21. 21. So say 21, say first say 1. Wahid, then say wa. Wa means and. Wahid wa ishri. Wahid wa ishri. And how to say 22? Okay. So I hope you got it right. You can say you got it. 22. So 22, say itnain wa ishri. Okay. I would say 23, say talata wa ishri. Talata wa ishri. Talata wa ishri. Okay. And you can say, now you can say continue, right? Talata wa ishrin and arba wa ishrin and khamsa wa ishrin. Okay. Now how to say 101? 101. So say Mia wa Wahid. Mia wa Wahid. And how to say 110? So say Mia wa Ashra. Mia wa Ashra. 110. Okay. Now how to say 200? Is it 200? You can say Itnain Mia, or you can say direct Miatain. Miatain. Done? Okay. Now say 1,000, right? 1,000. And 1,000 say alf. And how to say 2,000? 2K. 2,000, you can say itnain alf, or you can say alfain, right? Alfain 2,000 direct, alfain. Now say 5,000, khamsa alf, okay, khamsa alf. And how to say 20,000. So say ishrin, say ishrin alf, and how to say 50K. So you can say khamsin alf, 50,000. Okay. How to say 1 lakh? 1 lakh means 100,000, right? So how to say 100,000? 100,000, or you can say 1 lakh. 1 lakh. So 1 lakh. 1 lakh. So you can say Mia alf, right? Mia alf. Okay. How to say 2 lakhs? You can say 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs. You can say Mia 10 alf. Mia 10 alf. Mia 10 alf. Or say 5 lakhs. Okay, you can say 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs. So you can say Khamsa Mia alf. Okay, Khamsa Mia alf. Done. It's the number. And you can say million. So you say million, or say million. So million, you can say million, or you can say billion. So you can say billion. So million, and billion. Okay, done. Okay, so currency name, currency name Riyal and Dirham. Okay, is rupees and rupees. So rupees is called rubia, and Riyal. But dollar, but dollar is called is dollar. Suppose $1,000. So $1,000. Okay, $1,000. You can say alf dollar. Done. Numbers. And one more thing, we can say one more thing. Suppose how to say percent. Okay, percent. So percent say in Arabic femia. So how to say? Suppose 10%. So you can say ashra femia. مية. 20%. So 20% say عشرين في مية. Okay, 20%. Okay, so this is number. This is number and we use in sentence. Okay, suppose 100 real. So 100 real. So 100 real, you can say 100 real, mia real, mia real, and mia dirham, dirham, yeah, dinar. Okay, dirham, dirham. Okay, suppose 100 rupees, 100 rupees, you can say mia rubia, mia rubia. So you can use. So we can use number in sentence. Okay. So I hope you might have enjoyed this class of numbers. Okay, and I hope you got it and you might have understood everything. Now you can use numbers in different way in different sentences in daily conversation. Okay, so thanks for watching. I will see you next class. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Fa Ahmad Arabic class. We'll see you soon. Okay, in next class. Ma salama. Bye. See you. Ila lika. Have a nice day. Niharak Saeed. Niharak Saeed. Shukran. Niharak Saeed.